What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a guaranteed 1,200 views to your YouTube channel. So when you first get started on YouTube, it's hard to get, that YouTube traction. Try to get your videos ranked on the top of YouTube, and it's hard to get your YouTube videos recommended by YouTube. So I have a software or a business that will help you boost up your YouTube videos. This is 100% legit. I've used it myself and I've gotten 1,200 views. Now it is a paid product, so you are paying to get these views. However, you're not using like bots. It's nothing fake, nothing weird like that. It's simply using YouTube advertisement. But I'm going to show you how easy this is, how you can get started within like 5 minutes. Okay, so the software I'm going to be using is called Sprizzy. So this is the software. It's a Sprizz. I think it's Sprizzy. Yeah, Sprizzy. So basically, what they do is they promote your YouTube video using the YouTube ad platform. So obviously, it's 100% legit. But what they do is they use YouTube ads, and based on the keywords that you give them, they're gonna go ahead and promote your ads. Now, what's cool is it's literally plug and play. You don't have to like learn the YouTube ad platform. You don't have to you don't have to spend a lot of time doing that, because I've used YouTube ads, and it's a little difficult, when you're first getting started. So what they do is you just send them your link and they do it for you. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I'm going to do one for you. I'm going to do an example, but let me explain how they work. Okay, so what it is so basically, we can look here that they grow your YouTube video by getting more views to it. And what's cool is it's not just random views. You get targeted views to your videos. Okay, so if you've gone through YouTube, you've seen that these little ad on the right here, these little ads. The ones that are pre-rolls or in between videos, or even just on like right here, those are going to be the videos that those are going to be your videos that pop up. Okay, and that's what you're paying for, is for your videos to be popped up. Okay, and what that's going to do, it's going to give you a boost for your YouTube videos. Now, if you're just a small channel, if you're just starting out, it really helps your videos get boosted up. Okay, and what's cool is it has the potential to go viral. And the way it goes viral is obviously if people start watching your videos through the paid advertisements, but it's a good video, then YouTube will start recommending it to other people organically, and that's not even paid. Okay, but that's only if it's a good video. So what I recommend is only promoting the videos that you think are some of your better videos. Okay, but anyways, let me go through here and I'll explain more. Okay, so you're getting real views, subscribers, and engagement because, like I said, it's just people on YouTube. And like, for example, if we go to, let's just say we go to here and we say affiliate marketing for beginners. There should be an ad that pops up. So this is an ad. So that would be your ad that would pop up, if that's the keyword you're ranking for, even if you did affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you exactly how you would get those 1,200 views with Sprizzy. Okay. All right. But anyways, that's basically where your ads will be. And then let's see what else here. Okay. I was going to show you one more thing here. Okay. So here's the cool thing is when they're promoting your videos, they filter out the low engagement viewers. So what's cool is, like, the people that click on your video, they're actually going to watch most of your video, which is really cool. And I think I have one of my videos was like that. Let me see if I can pull it up real quick. But basically, what was cool is one of the videos I'm promoting with Sprizzy is, I think I'm getting like a lot of engagement with that video. So they filter out people that aren't really watching your video. So if they notice that the people they're targeting are not watching it, then they're not going to show the video to those people. So they're going to do a bunch of split tests. And like I said, they do all the management for you. Like, if you were to learn this, it's going to take you months. Like, I know YouTube ads, but I'd rather just let them do it. And it's literally, on autopilot to get extra views. So let me show you one of the videos I've been promoting. It's for my free affiliate marketing course, this one right here. And I'll show you exactly, like the engagement that I'm getting through Sprizzy. Okay, because I want to show you that I'm using this product. Yes, I'm an affiliate of this product, but I only promote products that I truly believe in, and I want to show you exactly how this works. Okay, so if I go to analytics, I'm going to show you exactly the engagement just with the YouTube ads. Okay, so let me see here. So you can see here YouTube advertisement. That's 74% of my views at the moment. That's going to be through Sprizzy. Okay, so if I go to reach, I can go ahead and look at the stats just on that. Okay, so let me show you real quick, and then we'll go from there. But anyways, but yeah, they're gonna filter out the low engagement viewers, so they're getting people that are gonna watch your videos longer, which is gonna help you go viral. Obviously, if it's a good video, right? So, and then they're gonna do the smart targeting, so they're targeting people based on, obviously you give them the keywords, but they're also gonna, find the best client for your videos and help you grow your channel, which is awesome. Okay, so that is another way. Let me show you how you get to 1,200 views. So I believe, yeah. So how much does it cost? So the lowest price is $30 to get started. That'll get you at least 1,200 views. That doesn't include the, people sharing it, it going viral, YouTube recommending it. That's all extra. Okay. So, but it's $30 minimum, which is extremely cheap. Like to do a YouTube promotion. Let me see if I can get my statistics here on this video. Let me change this here to since published, lifetime. And let's see, we go to traffic source, and I'm going to show you exactly. So YouTube advertisements, you can see here, I just started this promotion. This is amazing, guys. 22 minutes is my average view duration on this video, and this video is an hour long. That is really, really good. I mean, that's better than some of these in external, suggested. That's better than all those. So that's really good because I'm getting really, really good engagement, which is going to help my video be boosted. Okay, and that's all from YouTube advertisement, as you can see. Okay, this is all coming from Sprizzy, and yeah. So anyways, let's see here. So if we go back, but yeah, that's just $30 to get started. So let me show you how I would do it if I were going to do a promote a video. Okay, so here's my account here. So you would hit promote new video, and then basically you would type in your YouTube link. So let's just say I'm promoting this video. I just created this video yesterday. It's how to create a Facebook group. So I'm just gonna copy that link just as an example. All right, so then we're gonna hit that. Okay, so there's my video. So click that. All right, so let's just say we want to promote this video here, and then you simply just give them the keywords you want to target. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so what's your goal? So it's gonna ask you what's your goal. So if I want subscribers, you can do subscribers. If you want likes and comments, all this stuff. Okay, so and if you want subscribers, just hit that. Okay, and you can hit targeting, and then you can choose what countries you want to target, and then are you promoting a song or brand? Just say no, and then you literally use. It gives you some keyword suggestions here that you can use. Okay, so I would just do a few of these that you think are really good. But yeah, it gives you keyword suggestions that you can use. You don't even have to do that. Okay, and then you just hit budget. How much do you want to spend? The least is $30, so let's just say $30. That'll get you at least between 1,000 and 1,300 views. Typically, you'll get about 1,200 views. But remember, that's just the paid. You're gonna get a lot more. You should get a lot more, once your video starts gaining more traction, because YouTube will start recommending it to other people. Okay, and then you can simply just put delivery. I just put normal, and then start immediately. Okay, and sometimes they'll have a special offer. And basically, yeah, that's it, guys. That's pretty much how I use Sprizzy, and I love it. Like I'm loving it. I'm promoting some of my videos through Sprizzy just to get more traction. I'm still a small channel, but I want to grow even faster, so this is a great way to do it. So highly recommend it, guys. If you do want to use them, I do have an affiliate link in the description below. I will get compensated, if you buy through my link, but it's at no extra cost to you. So I just want to let you know that. But anyways, guys, that'll be the first link in the description below. And I hope this video was of value to you. Let me know if you're going to use Sprizzy. Subscribe to my channel, guys, if you are interested in learning how to make money online, how to grow your YouTube channel, and how to do affiliate marketing. Anyways, I'll talk to you soon.